Here we come to another building with a nice elevator. Let's see if someone will let us in.
It's closed, but we can try some offices. Visit Sweden. Hello, Sweden. Sweden.
Up.
Oh, nice.
Someone let us in.
Love this elevator.
Someone let us in.
Where is it?
Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. It's got 2 doors. It's modernized with generic buttons, but still. Watch this. Here we go. Ooh, single speed, I like that. Here's the buttons. Only the fixtures have been replaced. Now we'll go back down. Here we go. We'll watch the doors. Here we go. It's got light curtains. See? To go back on, you can change directions too. Big bump, single speed. Big bump, single speed.
Gotta line up.
Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.